All right. Welcome back, traders. Your weekly Bitcoin candle close, Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern live stream. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We have a pretty important candle close this week, guys. All right, this closes in about an hour. All right, but if we close the weekly like this, all right, we're talking about a weekly bullish engulfing candle. All right, and this is looking pretty good for Bitcoin right here. We'll say this is looking pretty good. We're above the 21 EMA. All right, this looks good. Weekly looks still intact. Still looks okay. Got some nice bids that came in this week, right, to push the price back up. We did get this bearish cross, but we got the selling to kind of play out. All right, so we are still building some negative momentum here on the weekly. The 3-day is kind of in a squeeze. All right, we're squeezing right now. Still in bullish territory here on the 3-day. The daily got a bullish cross here on the MACD. Just slowly starting to build positive momentum back up. We are above the daily 21 EMA. Right, guys? We got the back test of the daily 21 EMA. We did not lose ground here. We got back up nicely. All right. Now, this does look awfully like an ascending triangle. All right, we got this like fake breakout up here. How's everyone doing tonight? You guys doing all right? I feel like I'm a little stuffed up tonight. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just really tired. Had a long night last night. Jason, man, come on, dude. That's hilarious. All right, we got 20 people on right now. Thank you guys so much for joining. So if you're just joining us, well, Bitcoin is back testing the 21 EMA right now here on the daily. Looks fine right now. The 4-hour also it is pointed down here a little bit on the 4-hour, but we're still in bullish territory here, sitting at 52 on the RSI. We can take a look at the futures market. See what it's doing. Just sitting 56,580 on the futures right now. The real question is the ETH futures gap. All right, we got this breakaway gap up. All right, on ETH. No way, Sly Fox. It came on. You woke up for me? Man, that's... Thank you. I really do appreciate that, man. That's awesome. We're going to look at ETH here on the futures. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we come back down to fill this gap, or do you think ETH is just gone? Not enough data on the ETH futures chart to really make that determination. But we can go to spot. Yeah, we can look at Doge. Everyone loves the Dogecoin these days. So ETH broke the rising structure here. Yeah, we're definitely building some divergence up here, right? Higher highs on price, lower levels of relative strength. Although the momentum here kind of negates that, okay? The momentum oscillator is negating that RSI divergence. So you got two conflicting oscillators right now with that information. We're making higher highs on the momentum, so that's kind of getting negated. All right. Yeah, man, ETH is getting up there. Excuse me. ETH getting up there for sure. All right, Doge. COVID chart's gonna break out. Yeah, so here's the Doge pattern, all right? The right angle descending broadening wedge pattern. 65% measured move for Dogecoin on the daily here. We just broke back up here on the momentum oscillator, all right? So GRT and theta. GRT still in the flag, man. Still in the flag. And from bottom of the flag to top of the flag, we're looking at 1,200%. So from this bottom of this flag, we're looking at 1,200% long term. Looking at a $14 GRT, man. That's what we're looking at. You guys want another token that I'm actually in right now? I'm in MetalPay. But we'll look at theta here real quick. Looks similar to Doge, right? The descending, broadening wedge pattern, right? Got the squeeze here and the divergence going to play out. And you're going to probably close here above the 21 EMA. Looking good, looking good. V-Chain, yeah, let's take a look at V-Chain. V-Chain getting the breakout right here, right? Nice. We're talking about this break right here. There it is. So we're looking at about a 50% measured move. So V-Chain looking at 30 cents. All right. I am in MetalPay right now, MTL. I took this trade because, well, I like what's happening here on the 4-hour charts, and we're getting close to maybe a breakout area, and you can see this rounding up here. This is lots of buying activity up here, and this is one major flag, right? So 249% flag, and that means 249% from this bottom. That means, new all-time highs for this asset, close to that $8 to $9 area for MetalPay. And you can see the squeeze that we're in here. Now, look what's happening here on this momentum oscillator. It's just kind of hovering, right? Just kind of hovering. And usually that's indicative of a major move to the upside, all right? This is some nice consolidation, right? Nice consolidation for big move coming here. You can see the squeeze here on the 4-hour, looking really tight. Looking really tight on MetalPay. Reef, yeah, let's take a look at it. Reef broke back into the structure. All right, broke down out of it, broke back broke back above into it. You're going to have about 142% measured move once you do kind of consolidate here and make some moves to the upside, right? RSI is trekking up here. You can see it making higher lows. That's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. And I was in this trade too. I'm so pissed off about this. I'm going to show you guys my 3C account. Show you guys what happened on this. I set my stop way too tight on this Trust Wallet trade setup I was in. Man, I just F this one up, man. I F this one up. Here it is. The TWT trade. It was 2 days ago. I had an entry. What was my entry on this? Yeah, my entry on this was 65 cents. Kill me. Kill me, man. Kill me. Right here for this breakout. Got stopped out in profit and then just ripped. Simons. Yeah, Chainlink, sure. Holding above the 4 hour, right? Making this nice little cup pattern here. Looks like a nice little cup continuation structure on the 4 hour. Looks good. The Stokes to cross back up. You are making a bit of a bearish cross here, but you could just make a little bit of negative momentum and go sideways for a little bit before, you know, maybe some more consolidation and then get the go. All right. Yeah, maybe one more little pullback on Link here. We'll see. Civic coin looks pretty good right here. That looks nice. Have any trading strategy or goal? Yeah, man, to retire my day job. That's my goal. Get me out of my day job, guys. Get me out of my day job. Civic coin. I'm liking the looks of Civic coin right now. Dogecoin looked good. I don't know about Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be just going sideways for a bit. Wow, man, that's a crazy goal, man, to watch all the videos here. And thank you so much, though, man. It really means a lot to me. I spend a lot of time on these charts, so I really do appreciate all you guys coming and hanging out with me and learning and shooting the shit, you know, hanging out on the charts. We got some nice volume confirmation here on CBC. Looks like we're gonna probably break out of this range right here. Sure, we can look at Algorand. This actually wouldn't. I mean, you're at a resistance area here on the 4 hour, but you're just consolidating right under the resistance, so that to me looks pretty good. The daily is above the 21 EMA, probably getting a pullback, or like you can see the buying activity here right at this level. Okay, this probably wouldn't be a bad place to do it, man. You know, in all honesty, I don't want to give financial advice, but if you're above the 21, you know, you're probably going to be okay. Yeah, just see how you close this 4 hour this 4 hour here. If you make a higher low and you you get some buying activity comes in here on the 4 hour, the last hour here, we can see what's going on, right? So you're coming back above, right? Coming back above the 21, and you're making higher lows. RSI is making a higher low here. Looks pretty good on the hourly. Looks like you're just consolidating in a range. $15-minute looks pretty good too, actually. I mean, you could get maybe one more leg, you know. That green band territory is really what you want to look for optimal long entries, right? ePro, yeah, sure, we can check it out, man. Ooh, is that a head and shoulders pattern that just played out? Yeah. But you came down to the neckline and bounced. Lincoln banned. Probably banned because you can get some nice APY on your staking. Well, yeah, I guess this doesn't really count as a head and shoulders pattern. So, scratch that. This actually probably like falling structure. Yeah, we can look at Dash here. Give me a minute, brother. Looks pretty good, actually, on the 15-minute. Nice little trade setup here on this asset, ePro. Falling structure, 15-minute entry. XLM, yeah, we can look at it. You're above the daily 21. Probably going to close above here. Seeing as how the 15-minute chart looks like you might see some reversals there. Okay. That looks good, man. That looks good. What else did I miss? Did I miss something? EOS, right? And Dash. EOS and Dash. Alright, you're still above the 21 weekly, alright? Putting a nice nice bounce candle in here to negate most of these previous losses here from the previous week. Could get like a consolidation and then maybe a break back up. Yeah, it just looks bullish, man. You're sitting 63 on the RSI on the weekly here, and daily above the 21 EMA and back above the structure, right? So I thought maybe a further move down. We didn't get it. Lots of buying pressure pushing this price up. You're in a squeeze here on the momentum oscillator. You are bullish. You're above zero on the daily. So EOS does look good until proven otherwise, right? Dash. Orion Protocol. Yeah, we can look at it. Dash also looks good. Yep. Go bullish, man, on the weekly here. 64 on the RSI. Consolidating under a major resistance area. Okay. XLM. recovering all the gains that it lost last week on the weekly here, closing in 40 minutes. Looks perfect, man. Looks beautiful. Nothing bad to say about XLM up here. Holding above the 21 weekly. Alright. Here's your range from bottom to top. You break the range. It's really simple, guys. If you break the trading range, you're looking at a 50% measured move for XLM here on the weekly. Bringing it pretty much right back to all-time highs. Looking left. Where are we, guys? 50%. Okay. XLM. Gonna happen. Just looking back at MetalPay here, making sure we stay above this daily 21. All right, sitting right on it, man. Oof. If this thing broke to the downside, that'd be ugly. Right, a break to the downside would be bad. Down to this next fib area. Yeah, I'm actually in a bit of yield farming myself. I actually am using PancakeBunny.finance right now. I got some ETH stake there, earning like 16% APY. I am using Elephant Farm as well. I'm not too big of a fan of Elephant because of the whole deposit fee and withdrawal fee, but aside from that, it's pretty good. It's pretty consistent. And Auto Farm I like. I was using it before. I have my Pancake Swap stake there. Aside from other yield farming, I don't really know too much about all the other stuff, but yeah, let's look at Orion. That was one that was asked about. We broke the downsloping channel, right? We broke it. So basically, from bottom to top of the channel is 183%. All right, so we're talking 183%. Okay, once we break the previous all-time high. UBX, we can look at it, sure. We're holding above the 4 hour here. Will I make videos for yield farming? Yeah, maybe, we'll see. If I can find something good. I don't like I said, I don't want to promote something that ends up being a scam. Like, at least I'm looking at charts here. I know that I'm looking at charts. I know what I'm looking at, you know, and you know, we can project future price on the charts, you know. But with yield farming and the different projects, you know, there's lots of risk there and stuff like that. And the last thing I need is somebody, you know, coming after me because I posted some content about some yield farm crap that ended up being a scam. You know, I don't know if I need that. But yeah, you know, so like there's probably some liability involved with that I don't maybe want to get into too much. But we'll see. We'll see. I might dabble in it just a little bit. We'll see. No, man, let's not. UBX. Never heard of this one, but let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, this is just consolidating, man. This looks like I've never even heard of this coin, so most people probably haven't heard of this coin, I would assume, if I haven't. This looks interesting, though, I will say. But yeah, mostly just like a downsloping channel on this, with some hard consolidation happening right here. Could easily get a break above it. All right. You're showing that divergence here, that triple 1, 2, 3, right? Triple MACD, bullish divergence on the 15-minute. Looks pretty good. Auto Farm pumping a little bit here today. Uniswap also having a pretty good day. Civic Coin, like we mentioned before, looks nice. Dodo Coin. Audio was a trade setup, right? You guys, any of you guys take this trade? OXT was also. We got a nice scam wake up to 71 cents today. SRM this morning I called out. Still sitting on a bag of Hedgic. This made like a falling wedge, like dip before a rip type deal here. I think this is going to do well. See how Walton Chain's doing. Above the 21. Above the 21. That's what counts. What else you guys got? Not a busy night tonight, right? We got about 30 minutes till the daily Bitcoin candle and weekly close, all right? Make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys haven't done so already, and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, like the content here on STP, and tick the little bell. Guys, I'm going to be right back. Just going to grab a quick glass of water. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Appreciate your guys' patience. Nothing like some nice cold water, right? Alright. Looking at some monthly charts. We just started new monthly candles, right? So RLC looks pretty good. Look at this nice nice cup formation here on RLC. This actually looks really good, man. Really good. Wow. Beautiful. So longer term, we could expect this asset to get into this range. This coin looks like a double bottom here on the weekly. Through 5. Let's take a look at this one. This one actually intriguing me right now with this double bottom here on the weekly. Through 5. You guys know about this coin? Has a 100 million cap. 1.4 billion max supply. I know nothing about this coin, but it looks really good on the chart. Neat TrueFi, the DeFi protocol for uncollateralized lending. Do they do anything? What do they do? Oh wow, so you can like pool, you could stake. This is interesting. Yeah, this is an interesting project, guys. This is obviously live. Huh. I like the chart a lot, actually, on the weekly here. Hasn't really done anything yet. The 21 EMA, yeah, sure. That's you go into indicators on TradingView and type moving average exponential. All right, that's the one. And then it'll come up on your TradingView screen here. You go to settings wheel and change it to 21. Good evening, Space Water. Yo, man, I'm hanging in there, man. Hanging in there, guys. I really think this asset looks good on the weekly, guys. Long-term swing trade here. Hasn't done anything. Except make a double bottom here on the weekly. This looks pretty good. Like, we should probably be buying this asset. Even with minimal chart data that we do have. This looks really good, man. ORN does look pretty good, yep. Covered that before. Alright, let's see. Storage, we didn't cover it. There's a lot of shenanigans happening on my chart here. Yeah, man, storage just holding here. You got some rejection here on this said breakout that it tried to have. All right, you got some pullback here. Still holding above the daily 21. So that's good as long as you stay above it. Consolidating up here. What do you mean the roller coaster, man? Like, what do you mean? You made a major move this week, dude. Made a major move. Broke out of the channel and everything. Like, beautiful. Made a major move, man. You could easily get a pullback. I mean, we could easily see this thing pull back to like 57, right? Already starting to pull back here. All right. What did I miss on storage? Storage still looks good. Yeah, I mean, like you're gonna close hopefully a higher candle body close here, right, on the weekly. Right, negating this low, so you're looking like maybe a nice bounce to reverse back to the upside, right? On storage. And you're in the buy zone. You're just consolidating here. Consolidating here. Yep. Silica, sure. So Zilica's above the 3-day 21 EMA. We're getting close to this resistance area here. Draw a long-term trend line on this too. Could go sideways. Could go sideways. Could come back down. Back test again. Or maybe breaking out or breaking down. Right, we don't know which way it's going to break. But the trend is your friend until the end. That's all I know. And right now the trend is still up on Zilica. Okay. SXP, man, breaking out. For this month. I think we could just see sideways price action for BTC. Yeah. I mean, this monthly closed like a neutral-ish candle. Not bearish, not bullish. Neutral. Sideways stuff. Right, and we open the month a bit down here, right? We could just consolidate. The weekly closing pretty good though, all right? Could just go sideways though, right? We just came back above these areas here. We go sideways. We come back down to back test 50. Bounce here, come up, go sideways again, come down, back test it, and then maybe break out in July. Right? So something like that. As long as we don't break below the 21 weekly, guys, we're still in bull market, right? This is the key area to look for weekly candle closes. If we start breaking below these levels, man, I'd be scared. I would probably run for the hills. We're fine right now. Nothing to be worried about. Thank you so much for the $2.29 Euro super chat, Daryl. Appreciate that, man. Hey, cool guys. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, make sure you guys head on over to the website, swingtradepros.com. Check out our stock options and crypto alerts. This month, I had 24 trades posted. Out of the 24, we had 22 successful trades hit take profits. Only 2 trades stopped out, guys. That means that's a 91.6% win rate. All right. 91.6% win rate for this month, guys. I'm trying to find that data right now, actually. That sheet. Here you go. Here are the trade results for this month, guys. This audio trade was actually entered at around $2.30, so this also is a big winner, right? Obviously, that number was wrong, but yeah, 300% since this was called out in March, right? Make sure you guys check out the alert service, man. It's all me. I'm doing charts. I'm giving you guys trade setups. Today we called out SRM for a nice little pump up. We called out, let's see. What did we else call out? Called out MetalPay and Lit and Solana. Those all had nice moves today. All right. If you guys are interested in some of the best indicators in the industry, man, check them out. SwingTradePros.com. Check out the real-time trading indicators. Comes with 10 indicators, guys. All right. RSI bands is my favorite indicator. I use this every day. And you guys can see every single time you come into these red band territories or green band territories, or you get these tight consolidations like this, you're going to eventually get a nice move to the upside. That's when you need to learn how to use the STP Directional Movement Index. This is going to help you understand when there's Bollinger Band squeezes and how do you catch these major breakouts, all right? Check them out, guys. And if you guys are interested in the automated trading bots we have here, with the SAR bot and the indicator that we do have here that has a 98.6% win rate. Yes, you're hearing me right. 98.6% win rate on the bots. Check that out. Check the SAR indicator out. We do recommend a trading balance of at least $5,000 to make sure you guys ensure yourself some profits. All right. And check out the Profit Gains channel here today. This gentleman here is running the SAR. You can see he's on, I think, day 2 of running it. He's already made, I don't know, close to $70, but he's probably running on a small account, and that's fine. You guys can find the signals for the SAR on the marketplace of 3 commas as well, but you are limited to the signals that we do provide on there, right? Versus getting the indicator yourself with STP, you can open up whenever bot you want. And here you go, Crypto Soldier posting 100% win rate here on his SAR bot trades. All right. Get some more music on here for you guys. All right, we got some nice testimonials as well. If you guys are unsure about what it is you're buying here today, or you're unsure about, oh, is this product real or for real? Well, I mean, just come join the Discord. There's lots of people here. There's lots of social proof. Anyways, you guys get the point. I'm done preaching tonight. But CHZ, let's check it out. This was in a nice. Well, my chart is on the 15-minute chart. Let's see. Let us see. You want to buy is stuck in CHZ, and yeah, let's take a look at it. Well, we're pretty much right at a fib extension here. We are trading below the 4-hour 21, but it looks like it's kind of sandwiched right now between the fib and the 21 EMA. Could be a spot to maybe dollar cost average it. Right. In between fibs. Stokes crossed up here on the 15-minute. could get maybe a push back up to the top of this channel. What coins do I recommend? I mean, I'm a big ETH holder. I mean, you guys can see some of the coins that I do hold: Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Graph, API3, CRV, BZRX, ICX, Algorand, Walton Chain, Maker, Chainlink, Zen, Cardano, PancakeSwap, Hedgic, Rose, Ontology. All right, this is basically my long-term portfolio right here. Is the commas bots different from SAR bots? Well, the bots that we're running are from 3 commas. It's just the information that's coming to 3 commas is from the SAR indicator, versus the signals on 3 commas are also from our SAR indicator, but just a select few pairs that we run on 3 commas for those folks that don't have TradingView. RLC, yeah, let's check it out. We were just talking about it. We're just talking about RLC. Looked really nice on the monthly. Right. Longer term swing trade, right? Filecoin, yeah. Look at Filecoin. You can look at Cody. Here's File in a nice down sloping consolidation pattern above the 21, right? Above the 21. So we could be reversing the trend here on Filecoin. You're in a daily squeeze on the MACD. This looks nice, guys. Looks very nice for a trade setup, okay? Very nice for a trade setup. Cody. Falling wedge breakout, got it. Back testing the daily 21 right now. Falcon, absolutely, man. Yep, absolutely. Definitely a good starting place for sure. So we can look at Link here in a second. Cody coming up with the back test, right, on the 21. And you're going to probably close above it unless you start really rapidly dumping right now. And that'll be good. You can maybe look for a long position here on this asset. Go to Link. I think we covered Link before, but let's take a look at it again. I'm still liking it. Nice little rounded action here on the 4-hour. And on the daily, looking good probably. Nice little pullback we got today, right? But still looking nice, still looking nice. Okay, trucking on up to this resistance here. Okay. Well, guys, we've been live for almost an hour. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell, all right? We can find some other assets that look good for a long return here. Excuse me, guys. I am exhausted today. CTK looking good. This is Certic. This is an audit provider for smart contracts. I think long term this is a nice play as well. That could be for you know, the alert service I was talking about. But yeah, you can set up bots on it too, man. Absolutely. You know there's going to be a breakout. Definitely set up a bot on it, right? Like CTK right here. This could be a nice setup too. Probably going to start throwing longs here on the 4 hour, right? About to throw them in like 10 minutes. I have TradingView, STP, ETH, commas, ETC. The indicators just neat. Yeah, man. Go check it out. You can message me on Discord if you wanted to pay with crypto or something. We accept that as well. So you can always message me in Discord. My name is Mr. Know-It-All in the channel. All right. EHT or ETH? But I accept Doge. I guess. Yeah, I would accept Doge probably. Really liking this CTK, man. This looks like it's going to pop nice on the 4 hour here, right, guys? Looking maybe at a nice breakout on this trade. Holding this demand line nicely. Your Stokes are crossed up. Your 4 hour just started crossing up here bullish on the MACD. I bet we see higher prices this week. Bet we break this structure right here. Break out $4. URUS, man, you guys got to get it. This is looking nice. Nice uptrend here on URUS. The new project. Hidden gem, I'd say. Another one for sure. Got you, Rash. We got you, man. Broke this trading range here and back tested it as support, and looking like a nice, nice push up here. Let's see if I can get a real accurate representation from this chart data here about where this can go. All right, so basically from the, if we use these wicks, all right, we didn't look at Matic yet. We'll take a look at it here in a second. We use these wicks, we can see that we're looking at a pretty big range, man. Wow. All right. I don't know we're gonna do this entire move, but this would be insane, man. This would be insane. Insane. But I will say we will probably do something pretty crazy, but not this crazy. This is calling for a stupid amount of gain. We'll chart it anyway, man. Why not? Actually, that's why I wasn't in log. That's why. Okay. Hey, what's going on, Lost Soul? Thank you so much for the thank you so much for watching the channel, man. I really do appreciate all you guys. I never know who really is watching or whatever, so I really do appreciate it, man. Spent a lot of time here, so good to know who my viewers are, and really appreciate it. All right. This is calling for 11,000%, man. I don't know if it's going to do this, but this is nuts. 11,466% total measured move on this asset. You know, maybe we do somewhere halfway. You're going to have levels, obviously, here. URUS. Crazy. But that's the range being portrayed to us here. Yeah, we can look at TVK, we can look at VGX, and ETH. Yeah, ETH looking pretty good, man. You are by far the most intelligent sniper, and you feel the distraction of analyzing in for my, you're the best, bro, and you would deserve more than you're getting, really. Thank you so much for the kind words, Lost Soul. I really appreciate that, man. Really, I do. Yeah, I really just try to do what I can for you guys here, man, and go through charts. And if I see something like this is like, I think this is a real good opportunity. I mean, I'm not trading it here myself, but for you guys, like, we're coming up to the supply line on this asset. You know, we're looking at this cross above, and the Bollinger Band squeezing here. If you guys aren't familiar with the STP Directional Movement Index indicator. How do you get to make the graphs higher and lower? I just can't get it to change. Sounds stupid. Oh, you can just, you know, click on the price, okay? And just move your mouse up and down, right? So TVK and VGX. Oh, VGX. I don't think that's a real ticker. VGX. Oh, it is Voyager. Okay, yeah. Let's do Voyager against the dollar, ETH USD, right? So we can get an accurate representation of the dollar price, so that way you guys can understand where this asset might go long term. We're going to go to the weekly chart since we're about to close a weekly candle. Right now, we're getting the bounce off the 21 EMA for this asset, guys. This is extremely bullish. Obviously, we're getting the 21 EMA bounce, which signals to us that we're going to move higher on the price, okay? All right, man. This looks great. This looks great. Nice downsloping consolidation. You are in a bull flag, guys. A bull flag. And according to Bulkowski, when we go to flags, you guys aren't familiar with the Bulkowski website, make sure you guys familiarize yourself with it. He gives some amazing information how to calculate measured moves. Okay. So the flag, right? From bottom to top of the flag, from bottom to top projection of this previous flag. So if you're looking at Voyager, well, you guys already know the bottom of the flag to the top of the flag is 9,783%. This is on a weekly chart, guys. If this is the bottom of the flag, we are looking 9,783%. You guys are hearing this first. This is no joke. I don't know that we're going to do this whole move, but this is what it is, man. This is what it is. This is a longer term chart. Okay. The website, sure, absolutely. Bulkowski, man. And you just throw your fibs on there, and then you can get some nice swing, long-term swing targets, right? $30 on up to $134. That's the whole move of this pattern, most likely, guys. All right, on Voyager. Awesome, guys. Yeah, this is all about learning, guys, honestly. Trading is all about investing in yourself and learning what the charts are telling you, understanding what indicators you need to look for. All right. TVK, we missed that one. Sorry, man. All right, so you can see we're coming up to this supply line right here. We could get a bit of a pullback down to this 49-cent area here on the weekly. We did just open a new weekly candle. So, all right, guys, new weekly candle, new daily candles. Just popped in for Bitcoin, ETH, the whole market. All right. This isn't really in any sort of structure or pattern just yet that I see. I mean, I guess you could maybe call this like a falling channel. Right, a falling channel. Okay, not really too clear. We are above the daily 21 though. We could get this pullback right here at this supply line on this asset. All right. XRP. Just holding in the range right now. We're above the daily 21. The weekly actually closed in a breakout, man. The weekly closed in a weekly breakout. Looks like we could back test this before we run again. All right. But XRP is looking extremely strong right now with this weekly breakout handle. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream tonight. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, make sure you guys check out the website, swingtradepros.com. The real-time trading indicators, the stock options and crypto alerts. If you guys are interested in those, I do those swing trades pretty much daily. Sometimes I take a day off here and there. You know, what are you going to do? The SAR indicator, if you guys are interested in that. You also can check out our 3 SAR marketplace if you guys don't have a big trading account and want to try them out on a smaller trading account. All right, make sure you guys check them out. Swingtradepros.com. Join the Discord, join the movement, invest in yourself today. We can help you guys change your financial future for sure, okay? Mr. Man, what internet speed do you have? I have 5 monitors. But can only have 3 going at once. Interesting. Yeah, maybe that has something to do with your graphics card, man, not your internet. Patries, feel free to DM me, all right? If you did buy the product and you need some help understanding how to use and set it up, okay? Feel free to message me in the Discord, okay? Can I check Luxo? All right, we got time for a couple more tickers, all right, guys? LUKSO. Yeah, you got the bounce off the 21 on the weekly, all right? Falling wedge. Falling channel. You did get a bit of rejection here, though, okay? Last week. And you're at a supply line. So yeah, you could come back down or maybe round out here to maybe eventually get out of there. ETT. Kind of just sitting here, man. You are technically below the 21. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. Make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. We'll be at you this week, hopefully with some static content, and obviously those live streams. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for joining the Sunday live stream.